Today we have the 2017 Bmw X3. This vehicle has done just under 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. Using our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.